Okay, we're ready to paint this guy. I cleaned up everything that we needed to clean up. So what we need to do is we're going to do the black portion first. Okay, so let's get some mixed black and some water mix. Again, it's a wash. These are all acrylic. So what you want to do is you want to paint the top of the hat. Alright, we're going to paint that first. Painting is not always that difficult. It just takes a lot of time sometimes, and just make sure you get close to everything. You can use a small brush like I have here with a point, or a flat brush works as well too. We're just going to try to get a little closer there. This wash is kind of nice to use. I've used it quite a bit here with some of the other projects we had. Alright, so the top's always going to be a little darker because it soaks up the paint pretty well. Now we're going to do the brim of the hat. Now you want to be very careful going next to that part of the hat at the top where the ribbon goes across, the blue ribbon. It's just going to be the same thing as the scarf. So I'm going to do more of this offline so I can look at it a little bit better. But you want to be very, very careful doing this portion. Okay? But go ahead and finish that up. And then you want to do little black buttons here. You don't want to put too much on your brush doing this. You don't want to get soaked up into the other portions. Okay? So. Alright, now the other thing we're going to do, we're going to take the blue. I'll show you what we have to do with the blue here. Let me clean out my brush. The blue is just a mixture of some white and some dark blue to make this color that I have here. And this is going to be our little scarf here and the brim of the hat. So when you get offline, you want to do that and the brim of the hat. Okay, and then later on we'll and your mittens. Okay, just one portion of your mitten here. Alright, just like so. So do the brim, the hat, the blue portions, the mittens and the scarf and the ribbon around the hat, and then we'll be back to finish it up.